So it's been a minute since I made a YouTube video, but I figured that this would be helpful, especially for girls trying to upgrade their lighting system in their cars. So for most of you that know me personally know that I had a Mercedes-Benz for about 3.5 years. And I needed a family vehicle, so I switched it and I got a Nissan Rogue. And I just needed more space. I needed something bigger, an SUV of some sort. The one thing I really hated was these halogen lights that came with it. So I went on YouTube as well and I looked at some videos as to how to upgrade the interior light system, because these yellow lights was driving me insane. I've had Lexuses and Mercedes-Benz for the last, 8 years, I would say. So I'm not used to having these really tacky halogen lights. So I decided that I'm gonna do a DIY, and I wanted to record it so you guys can see, and maybe, just maybe, it may help someone, right? Especially women. You can do it too. In the YouTube video that I looked at, the gentleman was very detailed. He told the exact lights that you needed to have. And I decided, yeah, I'm gonna change them. I can do this, right? I can do it myself. Look at that. It's just so dated to me. So yeah, we're gonna turn this off so it don't get too hot. But I will show you guys. I went on Amazon and I purchased these little lights, these little LED lights, and I got these lights from the link that the gentleman posted in his video, so I can leave that down below as well. I don't have an Amazon storefront. I think I should create one, however, but yeah, I got these lights. Initially I bought these ones from Walmart, but they just look so flimsy compared to the ones that came in the mail from Amazon. So I'm actually taking these out. These are white LED lights. I think the number is 168 or something. But I didn't like how it looked. I think these just look better and it's cuter. And that little bulb thing to me was kind of ugly. When I saw these, I thought these were cool. So I'm gonna actually show you guys how I'm gonna change this bulb. This one is still a little hot. You need something to kind of pry it out, and you just be gentle. Some people use a prying tool. I did not have one, so I just decided that I'm gonna use my Cricut machine, this little flat edge thing. I thought it would do just as good of a job. So, and it worked, right? So first I pop off the cover, which even this cover is so dated to me, coming from Lexus and Mercedes-Benz. Like, who has like this frosted looking light cover anymore? But it's a nice kind of diffuser, so I'm not complaining. I think once you upgrade the light in the car, this wouldn't really matter, but I think it should be clear, but whatever. Who am I, right? So anyways, this is the actual light system right now. I popped the cover off and the bulb is still a little bit warm, but I went ahead and I pulled it out, right? This is the bulb that came with the car. Okay. This is the new LED light. And I'm just going to basically put that right in there. Do you see the difference? It's just so juicy. Like, man. And just imagine with the cover on, it gives a nice little diffusing to it. But it looks so much better compared to that yellow ugly mess. Like, so much better. Right in this side. And again, you want to test these to make sure that they work before you pop the cover back on. Now with the cover, it's a little tricky to get off, so you just have to make sure you put in this back end first. And you just like pop all the clips back in. And voila, it looks so much better, guys. I love it. Look at it compared to the crusty one over there. So we have crusty busty. here, and then we have glorious. I mean, it's just everything. Now I can close that back and my upgrade is almost complete. So I'm gonna do the rest of the lights in the car. And then I'm also gonna change the cargo light that's back there. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna pry off this little cover. Some of them are tight and some of them are, you know, a little bit easier to get out, but I literally just take, now there's two parts to this. If you can see, there's like, this little tool is like in between, like there's like a frosted white part and a clear part. So you just wanna be gentle, and there you go. It comes right out, okay? There we have the light. If we test it, it's still that ugly yellowish color light. So I'm gonna close that. I take the same little tool and just pull. Give a little pull forward. Oops. And there the light is out. Be careful because this is glass, so you don't wanna do it too harsh and then it breaks and you can cut yourself. And I'm just going to replace it. Like so. Okay, and we wanna test it. Yeah, yay! Ladies, you can do this too, okay? Don't think because you're a woman, like, don't let this defeat you. It's not hard. Yeah, baby. I am so proud of myself. Wow. All right, now it's time to get these backlights. They are so gross. Ugh, just look at the difference. Just look at the difference. Yellow, gross. White, gorge. This thing was so damn hard to take off that I could not get it off without me risking breaking the clip, and we don't want to do that. But I was able to get the bulb out. Right, I have this little prying tool that I have from my Cricut machine, and yeah, I just decided I'm just gonna leave it in and fit my fingers in there. It's bending enough. I just don't want to risk it all and then break the clip, and then we're in big trouble. So yeah, we're gonna now put in this baby. Okay, so I was able to snap in the LED and she works. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna slide that piece back in there and get out of here. I am so scared to break that thing because I don't want to deal with the headache of trying to figure out how to replace it. So yeah, we are almost done. You guys would not believe how easy this side was. This vanity light was so easy to come out. On the left side, this was so easy to come out. You see that? You see these two? Those two? Oh no, just all the pressure. This whole thing came out. It was so like tough on the other side, and now I can just easily change it. Ugh. Okay guys, so because these lights, this is my license plate cover lights, because they're also super ugly and yellow, we're gonna change these also. Okay, there we go. Yay, it's out. So we're just gonna pop this cover off and we're gonna change that LED bulb in there. I'll be right back. Okay, so this was a little challenging to get out. But I will show you guys how I took it out when I'm about to put it back in, but I got it out. Some people just buy a whole new LED casing. Sorry if you're hearing thunder. But I figured, like, let me try to pop the cover off. It was a little challenging because there's this like sticky thing that's around it, and you have to have like a flat edge to kind of pop the cover off. So yeah, we're gonna put in this baby and I will be back to show you guys how to snap it back in. Okay, so I changed the bulb. I went ahead and put back that little foam piece around it. All right, so you want to snap it back in like so. Okay, snap it in, and this is what locks it in place. Now I'm gonna test to make sure that this light works first before I actually pop it back in. Okay, so she works. She looks gorge. We're just gonna pop her back in here. All right, and there she is. Oh my gosh, this looks so much better. I am so proud of myself. Yeah, but ladies, get your DIY on, because women can work on cars too. Okay, license plate cover lights, definitely upgraded, looks so much better. And I did not have to purchase new ones. I just popped the cover off. It took a little, you know, patience, but I got it off, and here we are. All that's left is the cargo light, and we'll do that next. Okay, so I did want to show you guys that I also went ahead and changed the cargo light, and so now all of the lights in the car are white. I just went ahead and stuck a flat edge in here, and I was able to pry it out very easily. I wasn't able to take off the entire cover, however, so I did go ahead and just like squeeze, like, you know, squeeze my fingers in there and pop it out, and pop the other LED light bulb in. So now the car has fully white lights. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like at night with the upgraded lighting system, courtesy myself. There's lots of space once the seats are folded. Now the area, it's pretty well lit, so you can't really fully tell, but yeah, that's it.